6 lakh plus subscribers in just 34 videos, 100,000 plus subscribers in just 14 videos, and there are other channels that are going viral very quickly, and from their very first video, each video gets millions of views and they are earning in the millions. For an idea, this channel gained 78 million views in the last 30 days. And if we consider an RPM of 20 cents, its monthly revenue comes to approximately $15,000. But the question is, how is such fast growth possible? Because there are thousands of channels on history, nature, and survival stories. The real secret is hidden in an animation style that is unique and creative. And the best part, if you go search for a tutorial on this on YouTube, you'll find almost nothing. That means most people aren't aware of this, and competition is practically zero. So you have a golden opportunity to grow. Today's video will be a detailed course on such animation videos, where I'll teach you step by step from idea generation to final editing, and all using AI so you don't have to work too hard. Step 1. Idea generation. To generate ideas, open ChatGPT and paste a prompt there. You'll find all the prompts in the Google Doc, link in the description. After pasting the idea generation prompt, ChatGPT will give you lots of ideas, with titles and short summaries. Note the number of whichever idea you like, or if you don't like the ideas, you can regenerate. I liked idea number 9, so I will generate its script. Step 2. Script generation. Now to generate the script, you'll find the exact prompt inside the Google Doc. Paste it exactly as is. Just replace number X with your idea number. That's it. ChatGPT will write the script for you. If you don't like something, you can ask for changes. But I'm satisfied, so we'll continue. Now the most important part, because this is the reason our video will go viral. Visual generation. Step 3. Visual generation. If you've watched these videos carefully, you'll notice that their backgrounds are AI generated. Sometimes real place photos are used. The characters, however, are in a hand-drawn style and have small motions that you can create in any editing software. But that takes hours. And I know you're lazy like me, you won't do that much work. So your brother prepared a master prompt in 2 to 3 hours, which is in the Google Doc. Open the Google Doc, copy that prompt, and paste your script there. Also upload the reference image A so ChatGPT knows what type of image we mean. I'll provide that reference image in the Google Doc too. Then you'll give ChatGPT the command. ChatGPT will give you video prompts along with the images. Note, you won't get an exact Hoodie Guy result from AI. Manual editing will be required for that. But AI will get you almost close, and I'll show you that by the end of the video. Sometimes a single scene has 2 to 3 activities, and ChatGPT puts them all into one scene prompt, which reduces the result quality. So you'll need to explain the scenes to ChatGPT scene by scene. Then ChatGPT will provide correct prompts. If you want control over every single scene, I made a separate prompt for that. I'll explain that in a bit. Step 4. Voice generation. For voice generation, we'll use SpeechMa because this tool is free. You just have to watch one ad to use it. Paste our script here and choose a voice you like from the bottom. Then type the same code that's written and click generate. After a short wait, our voiceover will be ready. And it will sound like this. Step 5. Image generation. For image generation, go to Google Whisk. The interface will look like this. Simply click add image and paste that reference image. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. Paste it into Whisk and click generate. You'll see Google Whisk generate 2 images for us. One thing you'll notice, their faces come in a normal 2-dimensional style, not exactly Hoodie Guy. But you can continue with those, and if you don't want to, I'll give an alternate method in the last step. Don't miss it. Many people have trouble downloading images here because the download option isn't obvious. The solution is simple. Click the image you want to download, open the image, then double press, and the download option will appear. Step 6. Video generation. To generate video for free, download and open the Grok app. Then select Create Video and choose the images we generated. There will be an option to upload a video prompt, so go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into Grok and click Generate. Then you'll see what result came out. Step 7. Final editing. If you make such videos with AI, complex editing isn't necessary. Just add the clips and place them according to the voiceover. To make the experience more immersive, add sound effects and background music. Do some color grading, do whatever you want to increase the video quality, so the video quality improves. Step 8. Alternate method. Now the alternate method I mentioned earlier, which gives you more control over visual results. Open the Google Doc and copy alternate method prompt 1. Then open ChatGPT, select thinking and paste that prompt. ChatGPT will give you a prompt. Copy it and paste it into Gemini along with our reference image. Gemini will create an image like this for us. If any skin color related issue arises, I will explain it to ChatGPT and get an updated prompt, then paste that again into Gemini to get a better result. In my video, the girl was important, so I generated a girl. If your story requires a boy, you can generate a boy, no problem. Then go back to the Google Doc and copy alternate method prompt 2 and upload screenshots of a faceless creator example called Pins Guy. Provide those screenshots to ChatGPT so it becomes familiar with that style. Then just explain your scene and ChatGPT will give prompts in that style. From image generation to editing, the process remains the same. And our video will be ready to upload. I hope you all take advantage of this golden opportunity and grow your channel and earn millions. Here is our final result.
What if a mirror could show the past? For 1 hour, once a year, Lena inherited an old hall mirror that did something impossible. Every December it reflected faces that no one around remembered. Not ghosts. Moments. A baker smiling in 1923. A child playing in 1947. Faces frozen like Polaroids.